What's up, everybody? This is Rudy Banks. Welcome back to another episode of Ask Rudy. Today's episode is credited to Sabdan. I had a question about OGads and how to get an account set up. So I'm going to play the email, play the audio for you guys, and we're going to jump right into it.
Hi sir, I have seen your video on crazy CPA mistakes using OGads. Seeing this video, I am so inspired to create an OGads account since it is a CPA and CPI tool. But sir, I tried all my 6 emails to create an OGads account, but all gets denied. Sir, please help me. I have sent a lot of emails to many of the YouTubers, but no one helped me.
Yes, OGads. I do remember that video. OGads, if you don't know what OGads is, it's basically a website you can use to do CPA offers. You can do content locking. You share an offer, you can lock that offer or that prize, and the person has to fill out email, fill out a survey, and essentially to unlock content. Highly valuable content, someone's willing to take the time to fill it out, and in return, completing that offer, you get paid. So OGads to me was a very simple process. It actually took 10 minutes, and basically fill out the information, and about 10 minutes later I got approval. So it's not as in-depth as like Max Bounty, some other sites, a little bit more vetting process where they have to call you up and ask you a bunch of questions. So I would recommend, if you've had issues signing up, you said 6 times, I believe, you tried to sign up with different email addresses and stuff. What I highly recommend is follow the instructions. 2 things can trip you up. First of all, they want to make sure that you are following all the instructions. So the first thing it's going to ask you is, how do you plan on promoting? I always say that I'm going to use my blog, and then I'm going to use my social media platforms for additional traffic. I'll leave it at that. Depending on the type of site, I could get into doing paid traffic, PPC, and all that. But just keep it simple. Just say you're going to use your blog and your own website. If you don't have a website, there's a video below. A gentleman, I'll just share the video. It'll show you some workarounds, how to find some other sites you can use. And with the social media platform, the second question is going to say, okay, what are the social media platforms? I recommend putting at least 2 in there, 2 or 3 in there. And sometimes they want to see a lot of subscribers, but for example, I would do like Twitter. You want to put your your username. Mine is at Rudy Banks or Rudy BANX dash, and then I'm gonna put the number of followers. You make sure you put that in. If you don't, you're probably searching for that. If you didn't do that, that's probably why your account wasn't approved. YouTube, if you have a YouTube account, I think you do have a channel. If it's pertaining to content locking or marketing, just make sure you put your user ID, your channel ID, dash, and put the number of followers you have, subscribers. Same way with Instagram, do the same thing. Those are only things that really can trip you up, is just not following the detailed instructions. And then secondly, I just want to encourage you to, a lot of times everybody gets caught up into, I got to be on OGads, I got to be on Max Bounty, I got to be on Amazon. There are so many opportunities, so many websites out there where you can make money. Just don't get caught up into, I have to be on OGads because Rudy did a tutorial on OGads. The concepts, the philosophy, sending traffic, sending an offer, set up a landing page, all of that stuff is pretty much similar and the same across the board. Just remember, the concept is always going to be the same. You just have to learn how each platform, their syntax and the configuration. That's the only thing that's going to be different. So you can go to a website like offervault.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Go to that. You can see all types of offers. You can sign up for a share sale. You can get into some affiliate offers as well. Content locking seems easy, but you have to put the same amount of work into, if you're going to build your own landing page, as you would have to build a landing page for affiliate offer, and the affiliate offer is going to pay more. You can actually check out clickbetter.com. Check them out. I signed up for them. I purchased a Forex trading bot, and I did some some affiliate offers with that. And yeah, so check them out. Very easy to get signed up. It's like immediate approval. So if you're struggling, with OGads, or some of these sites, check out OfferVault, check out ClickBetter. And also, I'm going to put my affiliate manager's information below in this video, and I'll give you my referral ID number, so you can reach out to them via email or Skype and say, hey, Rudy Banks is my mentor, and here's his reference number. I'm trying to get signed up, and I'm having trouble getting approval. And take that route, and maybe that'll help you get approval. Other than that, guys, thank you for reaching out. This is here for you. You can go to speakpipe.com/askrudy. I'd love to hear from you guys. The audible message is always great. Emails, my information is always below, and I do my best to try to respond back to you in a timely manner. So hope you enjoyed this episode of Ask Rudy, and guys, just keep your head up, keep striving. I'll see you at the top. Peace. Hold up, wait 1 minute. You stayed till the end. I appreciate you. Thanks for subscribing. And YouTube is recommending you watch one of these 2 videos here. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in another episode. Peace.